You know what? I think it looks right. It's not too bad. It's a bit weird. As I said though, many times, I saved a lot of money just for that one little thing that's missing. I may try another go. Try and come up with something better. It's not exactly what I wanted. I wanted a flare. I kind of just carved this in the file. But it's doing what it's meant to do. It's a magwell. Let's turn that round. Paint. I don't know why. I just stripped it all off and painted it again. It's gone terrible. I did use a hammer at first. Yeah, I thought I did just strip it all off on the last paint, but never mind. I think it's looking pretty fucking sexy. It's a bit of a bodge up, but I think it's pretty good. And a little magwell. A little bit of sheet of steel. Pretty simple, really. Not even fixed it at all. It's literally just wedged in there. It's just not moving. Solid. Excuse me. My hand. I'd like it a flare, but I can't do that unless I had something just a bit thicker to whack it down on. I just got nothing. I don't know. I might give it another go. I'll try a different shape. Kind of needs to hold it in there as well, so it's kind of how it goes. Someone did actually make a comment about my grip the other day. This definitely wasn't made to fit it, so pretty sure it's a real one. I might be wrong, but yeah, I had to carve a lot out the inside, so I couldn't really be bothered replying it. I think that was on a short video. There you go. Let me know what you think. I think it's gone alright. Thanks for watching, people. Enjoy your day.